Seferihisar Sığacık'ta su taştı. Bizim otelin o tarafa çıkarsak orası yüksekte abi.
This is the scene of the wreckage after the tsunami that's just hit Vathi town here in Samos. The earthquake is 7 on the Richter scale.
I'm Ann McAvick at the Live News Desk.
Very large earthquake. We're talking about a 7-point+ magnitude earthquake. This is near the Aegean Sea, jolting Turkey in a big way. 20 buildings destroyed. Let's show you where this is. So here's the map. Turkey right here, Bulgaria, Greece. I'll kind of zoom in. Whoops, let me zoom in a little bit closer here. So this is going to be on the west side of Turkey, kind of the southwestern part of the country. This is what we call the shake map, and it shows people felt this thing in a very big way. That is a very large earthquake, a 7.0 magnitude earthquake, and it did happen kind of out in the sea, and we are starting to see videos of a tsunami that impacted parts of the western side of Turkey. I want to show you this one popping up on Twitter. Let me get play mode in here, and you can see the water moving into this town in the southwestern part of the country. Big problems with this. We're going to continue to watch it. Some other video to show you damaged buildings in that area. We don't have reports on deaths or injuries, but a earthquake of that magnitude is going to cause quite a few problems. You can see some of these buildings collapsed. People searching, trying to rescue people that are undoubtedly trapped inside of this building. As we get more information about this very large earthquake, we'll continue to update you.